How's it, boys? Margate Beach. I see there's some bird activity in the brown water. That's interesting. Not far off. They are circling and circling and diving. I don't see anything further south though. Brown water all the way with all the rain, but it's not out that deep. I'll see if I can zoom in a little bit and show you the birds. So there must be some fish around here. It's not going to be that clear to see, but they are diving just off Margate Beach. Let's see if I can follow this lot. Maybe something is happening. Just over there. I know when I zoom it's not always the best thing to do. It blurs a bit. They are diving not too far off the back line. So there you are, boys. Margate. Birds are working the water. In the brown water. That's actually surprising. But they are here. I don't know how big it is. The birds are diving. Not too far off. So let's hope the water clears pretty soon so that we can get a fish on the line, man. Been waiting to bend the rod. South wind still blowing and the sea is actually upset. No chance we can fish, and the birds are diving out a little bit out of reach. But they are working their way up north. Now boys, check this out. Margate Beach. The sardines are washing out on the beach. I got one already. I see the birds keep on working the beach, and there they are, lots of them. So yeah, boys, they're still coming out. I think when the tide pushes, it'll definitely happen. See family madness now. I'll show you something about the True North family. They hate touching fish. They don't like fish. But when they see sardines, they lose it. Look at this. What a joke. Good fun, boys. Sards washing out on the beach in Margate. Yeah, nice and fresh. But they are so quick, boys. You can't run and grab them by the hand, and I don't have a casting net. The only what we have is a scoop net. These ones are probably stuck in the mid-break here, and they're completely trapped. And there's no one here, surprisingly. So, in the dirty water, not what you would expect, but we are getting our small share. Man, it's nice to be on the other side of the camera and you don't check me running around like that. Yeah, interesting. Here's a couple of O's rocking up. That's good news. Now we can get some. Oh ja. Ja, gaat de Johan bij jou voorbij. Yeah, the action now are starting to happen. Boys, this is the only spectacle where people lose their minds and start chasing fish. Okay guys, couple people have arrived. They've seen the action happening. Every now and again the sards still wash out. So we'll see. I see one sea netter up top there, but it's hard for them to predict where the sards are because the water is so brown you can't see the shoal. So we're just grabbing what washes out on the beach now. Get some. If you stand right here, you'll get some. They'll wash up on the beach. You came all the way from Durban to catch a sardine. Come, bring it. There we go. Sardines all the way from Durban to come catch a sardine in Margate. How does it feel? It feels good. It does. Yeah, guys, still happening. They're moving up towards Lucien. They are stuck in the shallows here. The guys with the cast nets, they're getting some. Not full nets, but they're getting some. Let me get this. How's it, boys? This is how it's done. Chicken net. Lots and lots of fish, boys. Margate Beach in the dirty water. Don't let anyone tell you different. It's happening. Thanks, boys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the support. And I ask you guys, I've seen the last video had something like 16,000 views. Can we have 16,000 likes on the video, please, guys? That'll help to get the video out there. Show the rest of the world what we are able to do in South Africa. Please, guys, like the video. Even if you're not subscribed, just like it, please. It'll help to get the video out there and show the world how privileged we are in South Africa with these fish every year. Thanks, boys. I'll see you soon. Guys, this is interesting. The sardines are in the river, yeah? I see fresh water, they die. Yeah, the fresh water, they die off quickly. And they're getting washed out on the beach still. It's happening here, boys. A lot of sards being pulled here now. Okay, guys, one of the netters netted here in the shallows in the gully here. Not much, maybe 5-6 crates, but at least they got some. Since the live stream, the guys have multiplied quickly, but that's lekker. It's always good. The guys who've got cast nets are doing their thing, little bit at a time. They're getting, I see more netters here. I don't know if they're going to launch and pull a bigger shoal, but we'll see how it goes.